Good afternoon, everyone. I am Devrim Yazan. I am an associate professor of sustainable circular economy at the Faculty of Behavioral Management and Social Sciences. I work at the Department of Industrial Engineering and Business Information Systems. And today I am going to talk about our project, European project, which is a 4-year collaboration project entitled From Industrial Symbiosis to Hubs for Circularity. Before explaining about the project, I would like to talk about my personal motivation to study circular economy. In early stages of my career, when I was conducting my PhD, I was working on sustainability of supply chains. And I was noticing that the supply chains were becoming more and more global, and this was bringing multiple threats against sustainable development. Most importantly, it was causing rapid resource depletion, which leads to the resource scarcity challenges. So I started to develop a vision that sustainability must be local. We need to look for local solutions, regional solutions. And that was the moment that I encountered the concept of industrial symbiosis, more or less 12 years ago. And since then, I am working on this concept, which is a circularity strategy. But what is industrial symbiosis? Let me explain you very simply. Imagine two companies located in the same region, belonging to different industries, and the waste produced by the first company can be used as a substitute resource of the second company. Then automatically it brings economic benefits for both sides, but next to that, of course, it brings environmental and societal contributions. In fact, if you look at the logo of our project, the acronym is IS2H4C, you are not only going to see an infinity symbol, but you are also going to see two people hugging each other. So this is a sign that our project is not purely an industrial project. It is an industry-society collaboration. And you can also interpret it by the motto of our university, high-tech human touch. In this project, we are coordinating this project and we are collaborating with 34 partners from 9 countries in Europe. We are trying to scale up most cutting-edge technologies, circular and sustainable technologies, such as electrolysis for hydrogen production, e-fuels production, carbon capture and utilization, or wastewater treatment, in order to implement industrial symbiotic networks. So we try to convert existing industrial zones into symbiotic networks, and furthermore, we try to connect them to the surrounding ecosystems, so in the rural or urban settings. In this way, industry plus the surrounding ecosystems, they create a hub for circularity. Of course, industrial symbiosis requires investments, it requires finance, sustainable finance in order to be achieved. That's why we are working on this concept in an interdisciplinary way. The ultimate goal of this project is proposing hubs for circularity as a reference sustainable regional development model for Europe. 3 months ago, we kicked off the project here in our campus with the participation of more or less 60 colleagues from all over Europe. The partners came here, and we are really proud to be coordinating, leading this project. We are trying to implement 4 first-of-a-kind hub for circularity. These are located in Turkey, Germany, Basque Country in Spain, and Netherlands. So for sake of time, I will only explain you what we are doing in the Dutch hub, and then I will pass the word to our student. So in the Dutch hub, we have 4 direct partners. These are Universiteit of Twente, Hydrogen Hub Twente, Almelo Energy, and Solenco Power. These are the direct partners of the project. Next to that, we have associated partners such as Kogas, Waterskap, and Crematorium Twente. And we are supported also by Municipality of Almelo. Of course, explaining it without a flow diagram is a bit challenging, but I try my best. So, Hydrogen Hub Twente is located in the proximity of a wastewater treatment plant. So, we are going to implement 2 pipelines between these industries, between these entities. One is a water pipeline and the other one is an oxygen pipeline. What is it? The cleaned water from the wastewater plant is going to be used in the electrolyzer to produce hydrogen. While producing hydrogen as a byproduct, we obtain also oxygen. And we send this oxygen back to the wastewater treatment plant. So we create a closed loop system. And what do we do with the hydrogen that we produce? We make use of the hydrogen in the built environment in Adorp. I don't know if you heard about it. Adorp is a village in Almelo. It is 3 kilometers away from the Hydrogen Hub Twente. In this way, we are going to implement hydrogen pipelines and we are going to test the hydrogen in 5 public buildings in Adorp. Next to that, we are going to test also the hydrogen in Crematorium Twente. In this way, we are trying to substitute natural gas with hydrogen. This is one of the test areas in Adorp. It's a public school, it's a primary school where we are going to test the hydrogen coming from Hydrogen Hub Twente. So we are not only doing pure academic research. We are trying to lead the change. We are trying to sustainably transform our beautiful region into a circular and sustainable region. A group of 18 scientists from University of Twente is working in this project. European Commission granted this project with a subsidy of 20 million euros. My colleagues are also sitting there. After the meeting, after the event, you can approach them. They are wearing a badge. If you want to ask more details about the project, please do so. They will be happy to explain you. So, final thing. There is a symbiosis between what we research and what we teach. That's why since 4 years, at the University of Twente, we are running a minor program of circular economy transition.